Hello everyone, I'm Daverica Fort and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back again after 3 days of not uploading reaction videos. As you all know, I went to BTS concert and until right now, I still cannot get over. I finally met the boys for the first time. So if you want to see my BTS concert vlogs, I think it will be coming out tomorrow. I'm still editing it. Okay, the purpose of this video, I will react to BTS Boy With Love. I thought it's Boy in Love. Okay, that's their old song, right? Boy With Love, Fit Halsey. Oh my goodness. Official teaser 2. I did the teaser 1 this morning, but I think I will upload this teaser 2 first because it's fresh, okay? So without further ado, let's jump into the teaser video. Oh my goodness. I'm already dying with the thumbnail of this teaser video. Okay, start. Boy With Love. Okay, I didn't know this. They already released a teaser 1. That's 2 days ago. Oh! Jin! Sugar! Oh! Ah! Jin! Oh! Oh my lord! Love. Ah! Okay, that's all. Oh my god. Ooh-ah, ooh-ah, ooh-ah. Okay. Oh! Oh my god. Ah! The aesthetics, my goodness. Well, I love it. Yes! Oh, I love the hair of V there. It's color blue-green. It's color blue-green, right? Oh my god, my heart beats so fast. I just met the boys yesterday. Oh! No, yeah, not yesterday, last 2 days ago. Yeah, last 2 days. Oh! Oh! Okay. I'm literally out of words to describe this teaser video. Okay. Oh my god. April 12? Okay, that's their comeback. Okay, I know that. My goodness. Korea 18, 6 p.m. KST. Okay. Okay, one more time, guys. Oh my lord. Whoo, 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 whoo. Wow, cool aesthetics. That cinematography, that setup reminds me like, you know, super 80s vibes. Oh my lord. This is phenomenal. This is phenomenal, guys. Okay. Okay, I don't know that they already released a teaser of this Boy With Love. Okay, that's their title track of their newest album, Persona Map of the Soul. Because I didn't know this because I'm so busy attending, you know, their 2-day concert in Rajagamala Stadium at Bangkok, Thailand. So, I didn't know what's going on online world, my goodness. So, I just knew this morning, oh my god, they already have teaser 1. So, I think I just reacted on my bed for the teaser 1. I will upload that later, but I will upload this teaser 2 first. Oh my god, I'm still in shock right now. So the setup, okay, the melody of the song, the beats, you know, it's very super cool aesthetics in some ways, right? Then, oh my god, the setup, I'm stuttering, I'm sorry. I'm reminiscing, you know, my moments of meeting the boys for the first time and that concert experience. Okay, the setup, it reminds me, as what I said earlier, 80s vibes, something like that. Maybe because of their outfit and the, you know, the setup over there. Okay. Guys, this is phenomenal. I am very excited on this and I will going to read some theories about this comeback more and more, okay? Okay, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I am sorry guys, I'm literally out of words right now. Okay, let me know your thoughts about this teaser 2 of BTS. Comment down in the comment section. I hope that you love my reaction. If you love my reaction, please like this video. And if you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button now because I do lots of BTS reactions here. And see you on my next reaction to BTS. Annyeong!